Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Let us now proceed to this one. Number 11, it is the package of transnational flow of people, okay, production, investment, information, ideas, and authority. Okay, so it's not integration. Okay, it's not treaty. It's not transnational. The answer is alpha, globalization. Okay, tama ka, Alexander. Okay, good morning sa iyo. So globalization is the answer, please. Globalization is the free-flowing or free movement of person, goods, services from one country to another. From one country to another. Okay? So, yun din yung another definition nito. Okay? So, that is a globalization. Maraming positive pagdating sa ekonomiya, although may negative din, no, sa economy, may mga positive, no, tulad ng itong nakaraang taon lang, nakaraang taon, di ba? Nagkaroon tayo ng ASEAN integration. That is a form of globalization, kung saan yung mga ASEAN countries ay mas madaling nakakapagpalitan ng kalakal at ng serbisyo sa isa't isa at nagpapalitan ng technology, okay, nagtutulungan. Pero may konting yan negative, lalo na kapag ang kausap mo yung mga mauunlad na bansa. Kasi gagawin nilang market ang iyong country. Kaya nilang magtayo ng mga business dyan, okay, tulad ng ginagawa ng China, na nabibili nila yung mga nakakapagtayo sila doon, nakakabili sila ng mga properties. Then later on, napakalawak na pala ng pag-aari nila sa bansang iyon. Okay, mga plano no? Galing ng plano nila. So, yun ang isa sa mga negative ng globalization. Pero ang isa sa matindi o tinatawag nating serious, no, na problem sa globalization is the transnational crime. O yung tinatawag nating cross-border crime. So what is a transnational crime? Okay, it is a crime, its inception, commission, and destination involving two or more countries. So, kunyari, yung shabu ginawa sa Mindanao, ipinadala sa Luzon. Is that a transnational crime? The answer is no. Kasi local lang yun eh. Okay, domestic lang yun. Kailangan involved two or more countries. Remember that. Ngayon, may question dati sa board, as I remember. No? Is environmental crimes ba can be considered as transnational crime? Okay, may sasagot ba? Yes or no lang naman ang sagot eh. Then, konting paliwanag eh sa mga choices. Okay? Kung ang environmental crimes ba ay pwedeng maging transnational? The answer is yes. Okay? Yung mga endangered species natin, yung mga illegal hunting of animals na pinapadala sa ibang bansa, yung elephant tusk, di ba? Yung illegal poaching. So, pati yung air pollution. If you remember the incident kung saan yung pollution galing sa isang factories kumalat, no? I think that is in Hong Kong if I'm not wrong. Okay, kumalat, umabot sa ibang bansa like in China. So, that is a transnational crime. Illegal dumping of hazardous waste, no? 'Di ba dati, no, pinapadalan tayo dito ng Canada ng kanilang mga basura na galing sa kanilang mga ospital. So, hindi pumayag si Pangulong Duterte. Okay, pag hindi nyo tatanggalin yan, gera tayo. Katapang. Okay. Katapang, ang lakas ng Canada. Okay. So, let us now proceed to number 12. So, number 12, guys, Interpol stands for, okay, what is the answer? Okay? The answer is International Criminal Police Organization. Hindi International Criminal Police or International Police, Interpol, no. The answer is letter B. Tama ka, Dong. Okay? So, guys, no, yung idea ng pagbubuo ng isang international law enforcement agency ay nagsimula pa noong 1914. Okay? Ito ay pinangunahan ng Prince of Monaco kung saan more than 20 countries ang nag-participate. Okay? So, I want you to remember that. Then, initially, the Interpol, ang Interpol, ay tinawag na ICPC. Okay? ICPC or International Criminal Police Commission. So I want you to remember that. During 1940s, saka lang ito, no, pinalitan sa pangalang Interpol. Okay. Lagi niyong tandaan, guys, no, at huwag niyong kalilimutan when it comes to Interpol ay yung mga dalawang officer dyan na makapangyarihan. Okay. The President of the Interpol and the Secretary General. Okay. So, I want you to remember, guys, that the first and only, okay, Filipino, okay, na naging, yon si John Mark, tama, na naging, okay, President of Interpol from 1980 to 1984, I see, no, Jolly Bugarin. Jolly Bugarin. So I want you to remember that. Okay. While first president is Oscar Dressler and the first Secretary General is Johan Schober. So take note of that. Let us now proceed to number 13. Okay. Guys, no? United Nations Police ang involved dito. The UN Peacekeeping Force. Okay? The UN Peacekeeping Force. So, ito ay yung qualification pag ikaw ay mag-apply sa UN. Okay? Masarap ba mag-apply? Masarap ba mapunta sa UN? Sir, nakakalungkot doon ba't gusto nyo mag-apply? Mapakalaki ng salary doon. Yung allowance doon, hundreds of thousands. Okay? So, doon tayo sa rank qualification. Okay? Una sa PCO rito. Okay? So the okay guys, ano ang spelling ng mga names? Okay. So, Oscar Dressler muna tayo. Oscar Dressler. OSKARDRESSLER. Okay, Oscar Dressler. Then the secretary is first secretary is Johan, JOHANN. Then SOSCHOEBER, Schober. So, remember that. Okay, balik tayo sa topic. So, ano ang minimum rank sa PCO? Okay, i-updated lang natin. So, ito ba ay teniente or lieutenant? Ito ba ay major, letter B? Letter C, captain, or letter D, okay, lieutenant colonel? What is the answer? Okay? What is the answer? So, ang sagot guys, minimum rank qualification sa PCO, Police Commissioned Officer, is captain. So, the answer is letter C. Okay, the answer is letter C guys. So, baka magtanong kayo, sir, paano naman kapag sir, pag PNCO? Kunyari, hindi na mapupunta ng UN yon kasi captain ng minimum sa commission officer. Guys, iba sa PNCO. Ang minimum rank na kukunin sa PNCO ay ranggong police staff sergeant. Okay? Police staff sergeant. So, I want kayo remember that. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Okay. PCO, captain. PNCO, police staff sergeant. Ano naman ang mga skills na kailangan kapag ikaw ay sasali ng UN? Sir, baka kailangan ba dyan yung ikaw ay black belter or martial arts expert ng sayonara at kung fu, mas fast tumakbo kapag may trouble? The answer is no, hindi kasali ang martial arts skill. Ano lang ang tatlong skills na kailangan mong i-possess at ipasa? Una, yung driving test. Kailangan ka mag-drive. Pangalawa, yung marksmanship mo. Kailangan ikaw ay asintado. Okay? Asintado. And yung pangatlo, okay, kailangan meron kang good communication skills. Medyo magaling ka sa English. So, let us now back to number 14. Okay. PNP applicant, UN Peacekeeping Force must have attained at least how many years of active service as the first day of UNSAT examination? So, ilang taon ka dapat na active service before kang maging eligible to apply sa UN Peacekeeping? So, kunyari, si doktor siya, Doctor of Medicine, si Dr. Castillo ay nakapasok sa PNP. And then si Dr. Castillo, initially captain na siya, so pasok. Ay 3 taon pa lang sa serbisyo. 3 years pa lang siya. Pwede na kaya siyang mag-apply? Pwede na kaya siyang mag-apply? The answer is no. Bakit? Ilang active service ba ang required? 5 years ka dapat. Okay, 5 years. So remember, let us now proceed to number 15. So number 14 is Delta. The lowest ranking police in Indonesian National Police. Lowest ranking police. It's not constable. Hindi constable. Hindi rin private. So, it's between A and D. Sa Myanmar Police, okay, ang mababa nila doon is this one, private. Pero, ang sagot dito guys is alpha. Second agent, or tinatawag to sa Indonesian National Police na Bayangkara 2. Bayangkara 2. So, that is the second agent sa kanila. Pinakamababa is second agent. So that is alpha. So, iba-iba, no? Bizarre kasi ang tawagan. Pero I want you to be familiarized kasi baka lumabas sa board. No? Kapag sinabi mo na police force o police, okay, men, policeman, police officer in Indonesian National Police, ang sagot, POLRI, P-O-L-R-I, POLRI. Kapag sinabi mo namang Chief of Police sa Indonesia, Kepolri, Kepolri. Okay? Pag police force, Kepulisyan. Okay? So medyo hawig sa Tagalog, no? Kepulisyan. Okay? So remember that na Polri for individual police officer and for chief of police sa Indonesia, Kepolri. P, hindi F. Kepolri.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!